Getting vaccinated is still your best bet to avoid getting sick and staying out of the hospital. But if you do catch the virus, there is a treatment that can help. And the state is adding these monoclonal antibody sites on both sides of the Tampa Bay area to help people recover quicker. There's 8 sites now open across the state. You can see them right here on your screen, but 2 are in our area, at the fairgrounds in Tampa and the Fasano Center in Hudson. Soon we're going to have one at the Trop too. Governor DeSantis says that should open up by the end of this week. So those sites make the treatment easier to get, but how does it actually work? And what's the process to sign up for an appointment? Nightside's Bo Zimmer walks you through the entire thing.
As many as 300 people a day at this site in Hillsborough County will have access to monoclonal antibody therapy, an infusion that can prevent people exposed or infected with COVID-19 from getting seriously ill and ending up in the hospital.
The monoclonal antibody therapy was about 70% effective in its clinical trials. So it's not as good as the vaccine, even if you do get it, but it is much better than having to go through COVID.
But what's it like? Alina Hirelena was able to get the treatment last weekend after an exposure to someone who tested positive for COVID-19.
Honestly, the process was as easy as giving blood.
Alina got her infusion at a hospital near Orlando, not one of the state's new therapy sites, but says the easy process was well worth the added protection.
They let you know that the whole entire process takes about an hour and a half. So the first 30 minutes of the process, you have the IV drip of the monoclonal antibodies. And the other hour of the entire process, they just watch and observe you to make sure that you don't have any kind of side effects.
The treatment is available to those 12 and up who have tested positive or those who are at high risk and have had a known exposure. People wanting to visit the Hillsborough site can make an appointment or drive up to be seen same day. As for afterwards, Alina says so far, so good.
The process is simple. I felt great afterwards. I had my monoclonal antibody IV on a Friday. Through the weekend, I felt fine. Through this week, I feel great.
The site here near the state fairgrounds just opened today and will be available 7 days a week from 9 to 5 for those who qualify.